How to delete search history on Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your search history on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to delete your search history on Netflix, all you have to do is simply, first of all, go ahead and then basically launch the Netflix application here. Once you launch the Netflix app, you simply want to actually go ahead and then sign into the account. And once you sign into the account, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you have to tap the search option from the top right. And maybe you're talking about this is your search history. Well, let me tell you that this is actually not your search history. Netflix doesn't keep a track of your search history at all. If you're talking about what this is, then if you look at the top, you have this option known as top searches. That is simply what it is. It is not a search history, but a top searches made by the people around your community and your locale. That is why you're being able to see the top searches. It's just like how you have the trending section on YouTube, right? You cannot actually delete them because that's always there. And just like that, top searches are also always here. So hope this video helped you guys as to how you can delete your search history. But as I said, most importantly, this is actually not a search history. This is top searches and you cannot really delete them. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.